Yo, what is going on, guys? We are in this little Hyundai Sonata. It is, what's the date today? It is Tuesday, the 19th of May. We are, as some of you guys don't know, I'm Weston Moore. Caleb Karsten is my business partner. We have a used car dealership. This is one of the used cars, as you can see from the stickers and stuff. We're going to pick up 4 used cars in Tempe, Arizona, and I'm gonna show you guys the process, why we bought them at such good prices, why we chose to buy them in that area, and then basically what we bought them from. So follow us on this little process, this little shindig. We're in Phoenix, Arizona. All my Phoenix people. No, we're in Gilbert, Arizona. I don't even know where I live. We're in Gilbert, Arizona. We're going right now. We're picking up 4, and I'll show you guys. Come along. All right, so we're on Power Road. We're headed to the car lot. You guys will see it in just a second if you haven't already seen it. It's on my YouTube channel. You can hit that link down below. It'll probably be in the description. That is our car dealership. Our website might even be in the description. Not sure yet. Hit that below. Check out our inventory and our layout. Let us know what you think, if there could be any improvements. But right now we're headed to that car lot, and we're actually running low on inventory. So what's been happening, one issue that we have noticed is, since a lot of our inventory was bought during tax time, it was inflated prices. And now that the virus, I don't know if I can say that without getting demonetized for the video, but the virus, people are less willing to pay even if the economy was normal right now. So now we have bought a decent amount. Like, for example, this car was bought at an inflated price, and it made sense because people were willing to overpay because they were getting tax money back and all that stuff. So it made sense on our end. But when coronavirus hits right after, you're locked in at this high price. So we have about 8 to 10 pretty expensive cars on our lot at a very high price. And so our goal is basically right now, since people are less willing to even pay, like if the economy was normal, for like a $5,000 car, we're buying these $2,000 to $3,000 cars and then selling those. And so we have less money in them. The profit is the same, and we're just trying to get out of these cars that we bought during tax time, that we locked in these inflated prices, to get our money back and then start buying this cheaper stuff. That's the plan. That's why we're buying 4 right now. They're all, I think, less than, the most we paid was $3,100, and that's seemed to do really, really well. We sold 3 Camrys in the last 2 days, and yeah, it's doing well. We have like 25 vehicles for sale. So in a terrible time like right now, dang near comparable to like 08, selling 3 cars in 2 days is good. But we really only have about 8 good deals because all the other cars were locked in during tax time. So we're just trying to get our money back. We'll even take a little loss. So if you want a car for a good deal, we're willing to take a $100, $200 loss and just let someone else have it so we can get our money back, because car prices are pretty low right now. And yeah, that's really it. That's what we're doing. Oh, I told a guy to call you.
He did.
Highlander?
Yeah.
You haven't sold anything?
I've got a nice hard, I got a nice
my dad.
RAV4.
He has a car lot. You have a RAV? Oh, the one that we bought, yeah.
Yeah, I got it, and I told him $4,500. I said, it's nice, AC works good, everything. I'm supposed to send you some pictures when I get back to the lot.
Basically what it is it's a dealer-only auction site that we literally have used instead of Odessa. We're here, and this is actually a cool indoor. I was actually
like the polar opposite of us, right? Our stuff gets dirty.
Yeah.
Everything here, you clean it once and that thing stays clean.
But downfall is
no traffic. Yeah. Only online.
Yeah, and it's like a lot of time. This one doesn't look sketchy, but there's a lot of them that like look sketchy. So roadside's still the way to go in my opinion, but this is nice. So here it is. This is the first car, 06 Honda Pilot. We are at, oh, there it is on the side. It's a Honda Pilot 06. Little bad boy right there. Car number 1, success so far. Actually, we're about the freeway test. Oh, Jesus, Russ. A tranny gonna blow out of here.
Oh, man.
Get that on video.
All right, the big dirty Pilot's got navigation. We got a backup camera. We got rear AC. We got leather. It looks filthy right now. We got all kinds of little stuff, but by the time we're done with this thing, this is gonna look like your Saturday night prom date vehicle.
Or her, depending on who you are. All right, guys, so we are at Hyundai Peoria. Caleb's in this Kia He's in that car. And then we have the Pilot. So those two, there's an Odyssey that we bought back there. The alarm's actually going off, so we're gonna have to say, hey man, something's going on, boys. And then now we're picking up this, and this is a really good one. The window's down, that is not good. I hope it didn't rain, but we're in Arizona, so it probably didn't. Anyways, these are the 4 cars at the lot. You guys can look in this one. But anyway, these are trade-ins. So all the cars in the back are new car trade-ins, which is what we like to get because actually this might not be ours. I thought we had leather. I don't know. But anyways, yeah, these are new car trade-ins. We're buying them. We're basically like restoring them or detailing the crap out of them, fixing all the little parts, anything broken, and then selling them. But we love new car trade-ins. We're here. I'll see you guys at the lot whenever we get back. But yeah, 4 cars, 1 day, profit, sales, selling them to our customers. Right now we're selling cars literally so cheap that even with tax and our dock fee, I promise in a normal like economy they could flip them for a profit. So when everything gets back to normal, the last 3 Camrys that we have sold have been such good deals even for the consumer that they could sell them for a profit if they want to. So it's pretty cool. First start, this is the Santa Fe. If you guys notice, see how dirty it is? I love dirty. Anyways, it's super dirty. That is a good sign that, like, for example, if a car's too clean, I do not like that. From experience, I have learned that if a car is too clean and you're buying from a dealer, that means they, on average, there's a reason why. Like they're trying to hide an oil leak. They're trying to hide a power steering leak. I spoke too soon. Battery's dead. Battery's dead! Battery's dead, so now we gotta go inside. We have 2 cars. The Odyssey's got a, I don't know, the battery's dead on it. It's freaking out. This one's just dead, not cranking. So two out of 4 are not good today. I mean, yeah, we're just off to a rough one now. So I was hyping up the dirtiness and it backfired on me. All right, guys. So we tried to crank over. We're having bad luck. This one right here, if you look to the left, that Honda Odyssey, they said it was an engine accessory issue, but it's clearly knocking, like pretty bad rod knock. So the motor's basically shot. That's not as described. Luckily with ACV, you get a 10-day arbitration on all green lights, so I can basically get my money back for that, and that's cool. So it's not all sketchy with online stuff, but that's actually the first bad experience I've had on the ACV auction. Then to tack on to that, we tried to start the Santa Fe. The Santa Fe battery wouldn't even start with a jump box on it, so we gotta go buy a battery. Hopefully starts right up, but the voltage on it was at 1 volt, 1.4 volts or 1 volt, so it's clearly smoked. And we're gonna go to the auto parts store, basically come back in the parking lot, change it, probably have a guy come out, start it. Hopefully that means we can what, get 3 out of the 4? Yeah, 3 out of the 4 are good. Hopefully. Oh god dang, boy, we back, boy. We're gonna open the hood. Do we got any? Can anybody hear me? We back in the back of the parking lot. We're gonna pop the hood for you. Good struts on that. Nice pop to it. Not really, never mind. But battery's dead, so we're gonna change that real quick. Battery was not cheap, so if you want to put a cha-ching sound right here, cha-ching. What? 110 bucks? $110. So right off the get-go, we're down 110. Stocks fell off towards the end of the day. I'm down a little bit. So I'm overall in the day, I'm down about $400. Maybe could have sold a car. Maybe I'm down like $1,500 because if I lost out on a car sale because of dead battery, man, I could be down. 12, 13. Off the rip, baby. We back into business. We got 121,000 miles. If you guys want a Santa Fe, go to our website right now. Click that link down below. You click that bad boy. You click it. You call us, and we'll schedule you a virtual tour. All virtual. Did I say virtual? Anyways, we're back to the lot. Car's running. So what are we? Are we 3 for 4? 3 for 4? We're 3 for 4. So that means 3 good ones, 1 absolute beater. And that's the Honda. Honestly, the mom van would be the last one for me to go like rod knock because it's a family. Actually, yeah. I don't know. I mean, I was thinking Pilot with the billet grill. That indicates a kid. But then we pulled the 6 CD changer out. We saw like Jesus music, like how to be a better parent. I was like, okay, those are some good signs that this thing's been, you know, probably hasn't been ragged. Billet Grill threw me off a little bit, not gonna lie. $110 down on this one, or up. So we're in this thing for a little chunk. And that's really just the end of it. Probably see you at the lot in a minute, show all 4 of them, and then call this video Gucci.
Hey guys, so this is our office, but make no mistake at all, this is the most important vehicle on the entire lot. Honda Grom 2019, don't forget it, guys.
All right, guys, so we are back at the lot. We have the Forte. You guys want to check it out? We're at the car lot that you guys saw earlier. The Forte, the Pilot, the Santa Fe's posted up, and we have the Knockin' Odyssey.
Knockin' Odyssey.
So Caleb didn't get to hear it actually. It's knocking bad, man.
Can't wait to hear.
Yeah. So that's part of it. Car business. We're 3 for 4. That battery was dead. That's a $110 battery. So that kind of hurts too. Luckily that was a green light, so that means we get to arbitrate it, get rid of it, get our money back, or they will fix it. But I highly doubt they're gonna give us enough money to get a new engine in it,
yeah.
Which would be nice. Honestly, I'd love to just keep it and have a brand new engine in it. It'd be worth like probably a $5,500 van. Cause Honda. So that's really just it. 3 for 4, used car dealership, Carson Moore Auto. Click the link down below, check that out. Car dealership day in life, I guess you'd say. Typical day hanging with us.